Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Hi guys, welcome back to the island family.
Wagwan.
We are eating prawns and fish.
Yeah, man. So we're there out on a little adventure, doing a bit of fishing and chilling for the day, you know.
Okay, Island, you don't have to. He's worried about the prawns.
Yeah. And we have Bobo here. Say hi. Yeah, man. So just a nice little family day out, you know.
Yep.
Yeah, man. And we have fish and chips. Wow. It's coming here realizing that Australians love their fish and chips.
So there you go, fish and chips.
Well, my babe's not Australian, but you know, everywhere you go, you'll see fish and chips. Yeah. And Bobo here are digging already.
Yep.
And this is the location. It's a nice place. Yeah, Evan said. Yeah, man. Just one person over there fishing, so pretty much have the place to ourselves.
Wish us luck, guys. We get fish.
Yeah. So after we done shell down this, we start a little fishing. So stay tuned.
Look how nice that piece of fish is, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Snapper. Grilled, crumbed. I love fish.
Yeah, shell it down to you, know. Bobo going for a bite.
Me.
Yeah. Alright, so.
And the prawns.
Big.
Island, what's that? Fish? You're gonna catch fish?
Me.
Trying to catch mom?
Yeah, catch mummy, you need a bigger rod than that. Island, you catch mummy, you need a bigger rod. Yep. Island, what are you doing?
Hey.
Hey, pick up your fishing rod now. Island, what's that? Okay, mummy bought that for you for fishing. Give me that. Give me your fishing rod. Let's go. Yeah, Daddy's gonna do it now. Clean your hands on your pants. Sand everywhere. You're gonna start seizing up your rod. These are good rods, these ones, Bobo. What is... Hey, don't touch the sand. Otherwise, no beach after. Don't catch fish here. Go to the beach and catch fish. Okay? How are you going to catch a fish? Show me.
Fish.
Yeah, how?
Da.
No, that's not how you do it. He thinks it's a spear gun. Huh? Be careful, the bees. Be careful. Island?
Hey, no further.
No further. Oh, look at this little bird. Look, guys. Look, careful.
40-50.
Huh? 40-50.
No.
Wait. Oh, you made it fly away, Island.
Okay.
Why you do that for? Why you do that for? Baku Charlie, cheeky boy.
Let's go.
Do you want to go fishing? Well, come put the bait on now. Daddy teach you. Daddy teach you now. Yeah, Daddy teach you now.
Fish.
No.
Hey, you're going to hook me on the foot. This is the moment, guys. Island gets to throw his first fishing rod.
Island, stand right here. Alright? Don't move. Okay? Hey, you want the fish? No? Then don't be a stubborn, Island. Come on. Yes, you're gonna hold it. Just wait.
Island, listen to Dad.
Just wait. Just wait.
Wait. Listen, Island.
Fishing is about patience, mister.
Oh, something he doesn't know just yet.
Bobo, look. Look. Hey. You bait? Look. Bait?
He's angry.
Thought that was a fish. Look, the bait is on, Bobo. Bait. Island.
Look,
Look, the bait is on.
let him hold it and let him throw it then.
Come. Island.
Hold it.
Ready?
Ready?
And
Go. Yay!
all that sunny hand's gonna get the rod all stuff. Hold it. And I wait for the fish, What do you mean no?
Look, you have to hold it. Okay, he's into something else. He's probably not ready.
He's in a mood, he just wants to do his own thing, but I
Look.
mean, it's your rod at the end of the day. But you have to learn patience, Island.
Island, you're not going to get fish doing that. Bobo?
Wanna catch fishy? Alrighty guys, so here we go. Gonna make the first cast with this rod now. Yeah, so hopefully we catch something, you know. Just a quick little plan. Come together. Island, this way. Come on. Stay with mom. Not feeling any bite here, so just gonna move from this spot, and babe say we're just gonna go on the sun, you know, so it's easier for Island to move around as well.
Island, don't.
Yep, the bait comes back just the same.
Boy, this little trolley is the best thing we've ever bought, huh? It's really good.
Like it's quite a hill.
Yeah, we've been here before, babe, China Man's Beach, but
That'll be a different part.
Island. Oh, you're lucky. Hey? Aren't you lucky? Hey? Hey, mister, you get to ride on a train. Choo-choo train. Beep, beep. You alright, babe? Island, can I put my bag in there? Hang on, babe, stop. Stop the train. Island said my bag is okay there. Alright, go on. What do you mean now? Hmm? Looks righty rough today. But you might be able to catch a nice snapper. If you all remember this beach, I had my gender review here.
I don't think I've been here.
Really?
It's nice though.
And there's like a wall down there you can fish from too.
So far though. Look between the boats, it's like.
Hey! No, Dada, no. Alright, you go fishing, mister. Island, take your socks off. Give them to Mama. Here. Alright, go.
Go.
Not in the water. It's cold. You're going to get sick. You kick the ball with Mummy. Kick. Go on. Here. In here. Kick, kick, kick. Come on, kick the ball. Island, no. No. He wants to throw the water in the ball in the ball in the water, guys, and it's too cold. Island, this monster, no. It's a bit dirty because of the rain and everything. Island. It's cold. Get the ball. Let's go get the ball. Get the ball. Kick. Kick. Come on. Kick the ball. Kick.
Getting ready to see what's out here to catch. Yeah, right. Prawns. That's like fresh water.
Yeah. Island, what you doing getting wet? Oh my gosh. Oh, that is cold. Absolutely cold. These stones are really pretty. He absolutely loves being outdoors, doesn't he? Hey, mister, be careful.
Going out, guys. Yeah. Water look away still. Out there. There is some big massive wave out here. Woo! Look at that. Woo! And there are some things in the water that we have said are called blue bottles, which is similar to a jellyfish. So I hope I don't feel that today.
It's windy and cold now. Island, you have to be careful. Can't go in the water, dangerous. Uh-oh, the water's coming to get you. Hey, what are you doing? It's coming. Quick, run, run. Hey, don't do that. Run, 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 run. Oh, shit. Quick, Island, go get it. Quick, Bubba. Island Bubba. Oh, guys. So, this was the last spare of a moment sort of choice or decision to go somewhere. So, yeah, me and Island, we got a bit of a sore throat and runny nose, so probably not the best of ideas to be coming out, but anyhow, wow, Island just went in the piece of water. Island, you are going to get sick even more now. I don't have, hey! That's cold. That is cold.
Guys, I just got a bite. I think it's still on. I think it might be on still, guys. Fish on. Well, I hope it's still on. Oh no, shoot. Took off one of the bait.
Me and Island are picking up stones for sandcastle. We're picking up stones. Pick up some small ones, Island, small ones. Not too big, otherwise heavy. Yeah, good boy. Alright, come off from there, come off from there, come off from there. Come. Come. You like this? Oh, come clean your nose. Hang on.
Alright, so just had that bite a while ago. So that's a good sign. So let's see if we'll catch something, guys. Ready? Out there, out there. Out there before the big wave come back. Oh my god, the wave is gonna come big. So I have to go. I have to go. Oh, let's go. Ready, 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 ready. We have to go out the fast. Woo. Yes, we out. Yeah, fish on, guys, fish on. Woo! Oh, there we go. Fish on, guys. Oh, shit. Don't tell me that it got off. Shit. I think I just lost it. Shit. Ah, that look like a big one. Shit. Just lost it, guys. Oh, I see it flip in the air a while ago, I swear.
So guys, me and Island are exploring this beach and we just saw this. Doesn't it look like blood? Island, yucky, get out of there. Island, no, don't. I don't know where that colour's coming from. It could be oil from the boats, maybe. Doesn't look very, ooh, doesn't look very, I just had to clean Island's nose. Alright, Island, we better go back before some monster come and gets us. Island. Oh, it could be from the red rocks too. Had something going on down here. Let's have a look. But we're coming back. We're coming back. Okay? We're gonna come back. We're gonna go have a look, but we're gonna come back. Oh shit. Alright, come on. Island, no, that's too big. I don't want that. Too big. Wow. Oh, this is slippery. This is slippery. Island, gotta be careful. Go that way. Don't go in the water. Look at him. Island, look at the camera. You like exploring, don't you? Yep.
Wow!
Oh, I can see he will have lots of fun in Jamaica.
Oh wow!
Yeah. Okay, let's turn around now. Go back. Go back. Daddy must be worried. Yeah, take that one to the bucket. Come on, take it to the bucket. Come on, let's go. Yeah, let's go back this way. Come on. Come on, let's go. Alright, pick up the bucket. Pick up the spade. Here, quick. Oh. You're so boyish. Yeah, you are. You love to explore. Alright, pick it up now. We take it back for sandcastle now. We're going to build a nice castle. Want to build a nice castle? Come on, let's go. Let's go build another castle. Come on. Alright, pick it up. Let's go. We're going to go make a castle now. Is it too heavy? You want me to hold it? Here. Mummy, hold it. Here, Mummy, hold it. Yeah, I'll hold it. I'll hold it. Island. Island, what are we going to build? Island, what are we going to build? Oh, careful. Hey, what are we going to build? Sandcastle. Say sand. Castle. Good boy.
The water looks really dark, like brown sugar, that kind of color. Have to race with the waves, you know. Whoa, that gone much deeper. Woo! Human versus wave. Big splash.
Let's build a sandcastle. Careful the camera. This one. Let's build. Well, can I have a go? Oh, you want to build it? Okay, you build it. Come clean your nose, man. Clean nose. Another again. Maybe that's what you need, seawater. Oh, I'm going to build the sandcastle. Let's build a sandcastle. Let's build a sandcastle. Let's build sandcastle. block soon. You ready? We're gonna build a sandcastle now. Build a sandcastle. Look, make a mess. Let's build a sandcastle. Let's build a sandcastle. That's one. Sandcastle build. Alan, come here now. Alan, come here now. Come. After, come. Pick up the bucket. Snake's gonna bite your bum. Leave it. Alright, go get it. Go, come back. Run! Run! Gotta keep my eye on him.
Right now we're fully soaked. That's what's happening. Ugh. Soak. Waves are too big, I swear.
So guys, Ireland didn't want to really build a sandcastle. He started it, but he didn't want to, so he decided to put his hands all up in the bucket instead. Ireland, what do you say? We're gonna get going, guys. It's getting really windy and Ireland's only got this top on at the moment. I changed him. So, yep. I think we're gonna call it a day. Babe's getting his stuff and packing it up. Yeah, I've been here for some time now, so yeah, time to go.